Citizens takeout letters and switching to a private carrier. What you should know. Hi, if you're a Florida homeowners and you're with Citizens Insurance, you may have received a letter saying private company wants to take out your policy. It's called a Citizens Takeout Notice, and it leaves a lot of people asking, should I accept or should I stay with Citizens? Well, let's break it on down. Hi, my name is Jamie Blair, and I specialize in the insurance industry across this beautiful state of Florida. I have assisted several of our clients with the following advice, and I hope that it helps you too. So, what is a Citizens Takeout Letter? Well, Citizens is a Florida insurer of last resort, meaning for people who can't get coverage elsewhere, they're dumped into Citizens. To reduce this size and the risk that Citizens has taken on, they are transferring some policies to private carriers. When this happens, you'll receive this takeout notice explaining that another insurance company wants to assume your policy. So what are your options here? If you want to call Wise Insurance, we will help you with the following. Option 1, accept the private carrier offer. Your policy moves over, usually similar or slightly adjusted terms. This is important. Option 2, stay with Citizens. But here's the rule that you can only decline if the private offer is up to 20% more expensive than what you're paying with Citizens. So this is important. If your private carrier rate is within 20% of your Citizens premium, you will be required to move it to the private insurer and or carrier. So here are some of the things to consider when it comes to coverage. Some private carriers may offer broader protection, while others may have stricter exclusions. Please know that if you are getting this, not all of the policies are created equal. I speak about this in several of my videos. Know that the carrier's financial stability may or may not be what you need. Private carriers vary, so it's worth checking into their ratings. Citizens policies carry potential surcharges after a major hurricane, but other private carriers do not. Some policies have assessments and surcharges. A private carrier may give you more consistent renewals in the future for your long-term stability. So if you're asking yourself, what should you do? Don't ignore that letter. Number 1, there is a deadline to respond. And if your agent has not reached out to you, like Wise Insurance does for our clients, whenever we get the notification that they're going to receive that letter, then you need to call your agent. They should be comparing the private offer side by side with the Citizens coverage. But if you want, you can call Wise Insurance and it'll be our pleasure to assist you. We'll review not only the price, but the deductibles, exclusions, and any other limits if applicable. So let me and my team protect you, your home, the wise way. Reach out to Wise Insurance for a free consultation. And if this video was helpful, make sure that you subscribe, connect, follow, or like whatever button you see on the platform of which you're watching this. Do that and you'll continue to receive tips, tricks, and insurance insights. And don't be stingy. If you found this helpful, go ahead and send it to another fellow homeowners who could definitely benefit from the information. Jamie Blair, Wise Insurance, out.